Hey guys, this is Chris from AndroidPIT.com. We are here today with the HTC One M8 and the Sony Xperia Z2. We're going to do an audio comparison today. So we're going to test the loudspeakers. Both devices have front-facing stereo speakers. HTC's boom sound is pretty legendary among smartphone users, but Sony's no slouch when it comes to audio quality either. So today we're just going to do a simple test and you can see for yourself the results.
Different.
Okay, so that was both devices on full volume with no settings changed, but we can go into the Z2's options and we'll shortcut settings, go to sound and make a few changes. So if we go into sound effects, you can see here we've got the Clear Audio Plus option to optimize your sound for listening to music. Seems pretty obvious. Let's turn that on and try again and see how we go. Okay, so that was Clear Audio Plus. I don't know if you could tell there was much of a difference. Maybe my ears are not as good as yours, but I couldn't tell too much of a difference. So if we go back into sound effects, we can turn off Clear Audio Plus and enter sound enhancements instead to access the equalizer. So in the equalizer, I'm no sound engineer, so I don't exactly know how to optimize things, so we'll go for the old preset option. Obviously you have a whole bunch of different options depending on the style of music that you're listening to. In this case, let's go with pop. You can also access some extended settings as well, which you can have a quick read of there, but the one we're interested in is X Loud. Obviously enhancing the loudness of the speaker is what we want to do to see if we can compete with the HTC's boom sound. Okay, so there you have it. In my opinion, the HTC One comes out on top. It has the best sound recipe straight out of the box. You don't need to change any settings. It sounds louder and crisper. The Sony has a lot more options and settings, but they kind of don't make that much of a difference when you put them up against the HTC boom sound. So in my opinion, it's a pretty clear winner for HTC, but maybe you disagree. If so, please let us know in the comments. Subscribe to the channel. Keep an eye out on Google+, Twitter and Facebook, and of course AndroidPIT.com. Till next time, guys. Ciao.